Alright.
Alright?
Alright.
Alright. We go do dinners.
Mm-hmm.
The windy squeak. No?
I'm listening for the clunk. I'm not hearing a clunk.
There it is right there. It only happens when you hit the bump just right.
Okay.
I mean, the major clunk and rattling is gone because we taken that out of it. But that ball joint goes clunk when it pops. Well, let's see. We checked the mail.
Yes, we did.
So we want to do that on the way in. The dogs are put up.
Mm-hmm. Yes, they are.
Nobody let them out.
Hopefully.